Hi, this is my automated wire stripper. If you have a planishing hammer laying around anywhere, then you also have an automatic wire stripper. This is just regular number 12 gauge THHN solid wire. All you want to do is make sure you don't have your fingers in the way. Just and now all you have to do is take your insulation off. It should come off in 2 pieces. Once you get it started, there you go. This wire is a little old, so the insulation's a little bit harder on here. There you have it. Strips your insulation right off. If you need to do longer pieces, you do that too. Back up, and insulation's already coming off of this piece, and you just slide the insulation right off. And there you have it. There's your cheap automatic wire stripper. This is a Planishing hammer from Harbor Freight. It's like $89 or something like that. So if you need to strip some wire, and there you are. Hope you enjoyed the show.